so it's like two guys jumping out of an airplane, and one guy's falling further without a parachute, and the other guy's above him going, "Hey, I'm not hitting the ground as early as you are." They're like, "Ha, you're gonna splat," and the guy's like, "Well, you're 20 feet above me. Doesn't matter. I'm trendy. I get to watch you splat." Like one split second, as you hear the head bust like a melon. Boom, 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 boom. Football. Click. Oh, sorry. Twilight Zone. It's like, but it's okay, you're trending, and that's all that matters. Okay, this is teleprompter free news, ladies and gentlemen, and never forget it.